Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Connecting to an IBM db2 database using Python in IBM Watson Studio Desktop involves using the IBM_DB package. Here is a step-by-step tutorial on how to establish a connection and retrieve data from an IBM db2 database. Step 1. Install the IBM_DB package. Make sure you have the IBM_DB package installed in your Python environment. You can install it using pip. Step 2. Import the necessary libraries. In your Python script, import the IBM_DB library along with other required libraries. Step 3. Establish a connection to the IBM db2 database. To connect to your IBM db2 database, you need to provide the connection details such as the host name, port number, database name, username, and password. Here's an example of how you can establish a connection. Step 4. Query the database and fetch data. Once the connection is established successfully, you can execute SQL queries and fetch data from the database. Here is an example of executing a simple select query. This code will execute a select query on the specified table and print each row fetched from the database. Step 5. Close the connection. Don't forget to close the database connection once you are done working with it. By following these steps, you can connect to an IBM db2 database using Python in IBM Watson Studio Desktop and interact with your data.